Ladies and gentlemen, I give you Galaxy S9,
Nokia 8 Sirocco,
Xperia XZ2,
Gen 5.
Mobile World Congress, aka the MWC, is one of the biggest mobile events of the year. And like every year, this year too we saw a host of new smartphones and laptops at the event in Barcelona. Well, sadly we couldn't be there due to visa issues, but a lot of you guys have been asking us to do a roundup video of MWC 2018. And well, here it goes. What's up guys, this is Rupesh from Beebom.com, and now that MWC 2018 is over, let's take a look at the best things that were announced at the event this year. Before we get started, like always, I'd suggest you to hit the bell icon to get notifications for all our future videos. Also, this video has been sponsored by AppMatch, an app recommendation service that suggests apps based on your interests. Now then, let's get started. The S9 grabbed a lot of limelight at the MWC this year, and well, expectedly so. And sure, the S9 looks a lot like the S8, but there are some major improvements that it brings. Firstly, the S9 fixes the awkward fingerprint location from the S8 and the Note 8, thankfully. Then there's the amazing new dual aperture camera, f2.4 for crisp, well-lit photos, and f1.5 for clear low-light photos. That's not all, the camera even captures super slow-mo videos at 960 fps. Yes, 720p videos at 960 fps. Look at this. There's no dual camera on the S9, but if you want that, there's the bigger S9 Plus. Apart from that, the S9 brings new intelligent face scan, which people are saying still sucks when compared to Face ID. And there's also AR emoji, which is a weirder clone of Apple's Animoji. Lastly, the phone is powered by the Snapdragon 845 or the Exynos 9810 with 4 gigs of RAM. Yes, the S9 seems like a very simple refinement to the S8, but there's so much more and I cannot wait to try it out. Vivo managed to get everyone's attention at CES earlier this year with the first smartphone with an in-display fingerprint scanner, and well, they have managed to do it again. This time with the Vivo Apex concept phone. I mean, look at that thing, it's truly bezel-less. Plus, it has an in-display fingerprint scanner in half of the display. Yes, that whole area is the fingerprint scanner. Also, since it's truly bezel-less, there's no place for a selfie camera. So, where is it? Well, it's hidden inside the device and only pops up when needed. That is super cool. But hey, it's a concept and Vivo has no plans of releasing it in the market anytime soon, so don't get too excited. HMD Global, the Finnish company that makes Nokia smartphones now, managed to take the world by storm with its new Nokia 8 Sirocco smartphone. Nokia 8 Sirocco. I'm not sure how to pronounce it right, but yes, it took the world by storm. If you don't know, the Sirocco branding is a callback to the special edition Nokia 8800 Sirocco from 2006. Well, the Nokia 8 Sirocco certainly looks like a special edition phone. It has a curved display up front and the whole device is made up of 95% glass. It's stunning. The POLED display is 16:9 and not 18:9, but I don't mind. Having said that, I do mind the fact that Nokia is still using the Snapdragon 835 in this device. Powerful, but not flagship anymore. Apart from that, the Nokia 8 Sirocco features the IP67 rating, dual Zeiss cameras, 6GB of RAM, 128GB storage, and like all Nokia devices now, comes with Android Oreo 1. We've all been waiting for a Sony flagship that blows our minds away. And well, at least this year, Sony has tried to make things interesting. The XZ2 finally has an 18:9 display, but it's nowhere close to the bezel-less design that the S9 has. Plus, I'm not really a fan of the HTC like back. Apart from that, the specs are good. There's the latest and greatest Snapdragon 845 processor, 4GB of RAM, a 19MP f1.8 camera, and a 5MP front camera. I mean, it's good, but the XZ2 still does not excite me as much as a flagship should. Having said that, the XZ2 shoots 1080p at 960 fps slow-mo video, when compared to S9's 720p at 960 fps video. So take that, Samsung. Nokia made headlines with the Nokia 8 Sirocco smartphone, but its mid-ranger Nokia 7 Plus seems pretty interesting too. The Android One mid-ranger comes with a 6-inch 18:9 display and a two-tone design that looks really good. The smartphone is powered by the Snapdragon 660 coupled with 4 gigs of RAM, and it comes with the same Zeiss dual cameras that feature on the 8 Sirocco. That is pretty sweet. Plus, it comes with a massive 16 megapixel selfie camera for all of you selfie obsessed people. Well, the Nokia 7 Plus definitely seems like a great smartphone. I mean, just price it around rupees 25,000 and you've got a winner. Android Go smartphones finally arrived at MWC 2018. And well, Nokia 1 is to Android Go what Tony Stark is to the Avengers. Well, that poor reference aside, the Nokia 1 features very modest specs. I mean, we won't be excited about a smartphone with a FWVGA display, a MediaTek chipset, 1 GB of RAM, 8 GB of storage, 5 and 2 megapixel cameras, and it's 2018. So yes, it's a dull affair. But there's Android 8.1 of Android Go flavor on board, and that's what makes this interesting. I mean, it'll be interesting to see if Android Go phones like the Nokia 1 here manage to make an impact. And yes, Nokia brought back the banana phone from the Matrix. Yes, a new Nokia 8810, and that too with 4G. Well, Nokia loves making us nostalgic. Asus unveiled its Zenfone 5 lineup at MWC this year, and while they're feature packed, the most striking aspect of these smartphones is that they are very iPhone 10-like. I mean, here's what Asus said at the launch.
But our notch is 26% smaller than the Fruit phone.
So yes, the iPhone 10's notch is now a trend. Oh god. And that's not the only thing Asus copied. The company even introduced new Zen emojis, which basically are animojis. Apart from that, the Zen phones have a host of AI features like AI camera, AI display, AI ringtone, AI boost, AI charging, AI photo learning. Yeah. Huawei did not unveil a new smartphone at the event, but they did unveil a new MacBook Pro competitor. And boy, it looks good. I mean, those bezels are ridiculous, in a good way. But the ridiculousness does not end there. The laptop features a webcam hidden inside the keyboard. Yes, MWC 2018 has been all about hidden selfie cameras. Apart from the fancy new design, the MateBook 10 Pro has a gorgeous 3K touchscreen display and is powered by 8th generation Intel Core i5 or i7 processors, and features a discrete GeForce MX150 GPU. Well, the MateBook 10 Pro is certainly impressive. Apart from these major devices, we got some other interesting devices too. LG unveiled the new V30s, which is basically V30 with more AI and more RAM. Doogee launched the Doogee V with an in-display fingerprint scanner and an iPhone 10-like notch. Yeah, that's a trend. Lenovo unveiled two new Yoga laptops with the latest 8th gen processors. Yola unveiled the new Sailfish OS 3, and Samsung showed off the Galaxy X with a foldable display to a few people. And well, that's pretty much it. Now let's talk a bit about our sponsors for this video. AppMatch is a service that suggests apps that are custom fit to your interests. They have a variety of quizzes that you can take and get recommendations accordingly. Let's try out this cryptocurrency quiz. I can answer these questions, and at the end the website suggests the best coin according to my preferences. Here's what my coin says. Instant transactions, fees under a penny, the first thriving decentralized autonomous governance structure in the world. We consider Dash to be the most promising project in crypto. That sounds much. Plus there are a bunch of recommended apps related to cryptocurrency as well. I can just swipe left and right depending on whether I like them or not. The service is completely free and you should try it out. You'll find the link in the description below. Well, those are the best launches at MWC 2018. My favorite are MateBook 10 Pro and the Nokia 8 Sirocco. But what about you? Which devices from MWC 2018 are your favorite? Let us know in the comment section below. Also, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends if you enjoyed it. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, that's me signing off. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. And yeah, to all our Indian friends out there, happy Holi.